My dear students, welcome to my class on corporate accounts. Today's topic is insurance company accounts. There are two kinds of insurance companies, my dear students, life insurance companies and general insurance companies. And here the question is what we need to prepare for exam in case of insurance company accounts. Okay, among these, the first one which we always ignore is valuation balance sheet, which is also important. Insurance companies will prepare valuation balance sheet once in every 2 years or 3 years to find out the profit. Among these profit or surplus, you can call 95% of the amount that belongs to policy holders and 5% is belongs to shareholders. I'll show the pro forma of this valuation balance sheet. This is valuation balance sheet, though it's similar to an account. You can see here you have to write in the credit side life insurance fund, which is given in the problem, then net liability as given, then actuarial expenses. The meaning of actuarial expenses is actuarial valuation means the valuers who will value what is the net liability of the insurance companies in 2-3 years likewise. So to them we will pay commission, that is actuarial expenses. After that you go to working notes, there you need to write surplus as per valuation balance sheet. Add interim bonus means if any bonus is declared in middle, that should be added back. Then less proposed dividends, less decrease in value of investments if any. Then out of this net surplus, 95% of the amount belongs to policy holders, less interim bonus if any already paid. That is the remaining amount to be paid. This is a very important question which we need to prepare. In many readers, you will find these kind of questions. Kalyani is there, very good book, and Vagdevi is there, Himalaya is there, Tata McGraw is there. Better you purchase a reader and prepare from them. Okay, whatever the material you have, from there you see valuation balance sheet. I have given the pro forma and the importance. Then after that, my dear students, we need to prepare fire insurance claims. Yeah, if any fire occurs, definitely we are going to lodge a claim. In case of fire insurance claims, what happens is together with the stock, accounting books will be destroyed. With whatever information which we have, we will prepare a memorandum of trading account. For this, we need to follow the steps. Prepare a trading account for the previous year, find out gross profit ratio. If any opening stock or closing stock is over or undervalued, that should be adjusted. Then prepare a memorandum of trading account. The closing stock of previous year will become opening stock of current year. Less stock on date of fire, less stock salvaged. So after that, if any average clause is there, we have to apply the formula. Average clause is equal to value of fire insurance policy by stock on date of fire into actual loss. Means insurance companies won't allow or encourage under insurance. There are so many problems where you can prepare from this. Then these kind of problems will be there. These are short problems trading account, memorandum trading account we need to prepare, and out of the closing stock, whatever stock saved, that should be deducted, so that you are going to get what is the claim that you are going to pay. Other than this, my dear students, keep in mind you need to learn about revenue account of life insurance companies from schedule 1, 2, 3 and 4, then balance sheet also. In revenue account, we have to prepare 4 schedules. Schedule number 1, premium received. Schedule number 2, schedule commission. Schedule number 3, operating expenses. And schedule number 4, benefits paid. You see the pro forma. Then in balance sheet also. I wish all the best to all my students. Make use of the videos. Prepare well for the exams. This is a simple class. This is a very, very simple class and useful class. What to prepare for exams. Okay. So this is on insurance topic. I wish all the best to all my students. May God bless you all.